Welcome to this deep skincare cleansing session. In today's treatment, we will focus on blackhead removal, deep pore cleansing, and skin renewal. Take a deep breath, relax your facial muscles, allow your skin to rest as we begin this gentle and professional skincare process. Every step is performed slowly, carefully, and safely to protect the skin barrier and improve overall skin health. Step 1. Skin analysis. Before starting any treatment, we carefully analyze the skin. We observe the pores, texture, oil levels, and areas where blackheads are most visible. Common zones include the nose, chin, cheeks, and forehead. This analysis helps determine the correct pressure and technique for extraction. Step 2. Removing surface dust and oil. A gentle facial cleanser is applied to the skin. Using soft circular motions, we remove surface dirt, makeup residue, sunscreen, and excess oil. This step prevents bacteria from being pushed deeper into the pores during extraction. Step 3. Deep cleansing massage. The cleanser is massaged slowly into the skin. This helps loosen debris trapped inside the pores. Blood circulation increases, allowing the skin to receive oxygen and nutrients. Step 4. Rinsing the skin. The cleanser is rinsed off using lukewarm water. Hot water is avoided to prevent irritation. Cold water is avoided to prevent pore tightening too early. Step 5. Gentle drying. The skin is gently patted dry using a clean, soft towel. No rubbing, no pulling. This keeps the skin calm and protected. Step 6. Steaming the face. Facial steam is introduced to soften the skin. Warm steam opens the pores naturally, making blackhead removal easier and safer. This step also helps loosen hardened sebum inside the pores. Step 7. Relaxation during steam. As the steam works, the skin begins to soften, blackheads become more visible, the pores gently open, preparing for extraction. This step lasts several minutes to ensure proper softening. Step 8. Sanitizing tools and hands. Before extraction begins, all tools and hands are fully sanitized. This is essential to prevent infection, inflammation, or acne flare-ups. Clean tools mean safer results. Step 9. Targeting blackhead areas. We focus first on areas with the highest concentration of blackheads. Usually, this is the nose and chin area. Each pore is treated individually with precision. Step 10. Gentle pressure application. Using controlled, gentle pressure, we begin blackhead extraction. No force is applied. If a blackhead does not release easily, we move on and return later. Step 11. Blackhead release. As pressure is applied correctly, the blackhead slowly emerges from the pore. Sebum, dead skin cells, and impurities are released. The pore immediately appears cleaner and less congested. Step 12. Wiping the area. After each extraction, the area is wiped clean with sterile gauze. This keeps the skin clean and allows clear visibility for the next extraction. Step 13. Continuing extraction. The process continues slowly, pore by pore. Patience is key. Rushing can damage the skin. Each blackhead is removed carefully to minimize redness. Step 14. Checking skin response. After several extractions, we pause to observe the skin's reaction. If redness appears, pressure is reduced. Skin safety always comes first. Step 15. Second pass extraction. Once the skin relaxes, we return for a second pass. Some deeper blackheads are now easier to remove after initial clearing. Step 16. Cleaning deep pores. Deeper pores release thicker sebum. This material has been trapped for a long time. Removing it allows the skin to breathe again. Step 17. Maintaining even pressure. Consistent pressure ensures smooth extraction. No sudden movements, no aggressive squeezing. Step 18. Avoiding damaged areas. Any inflamed or sensitive areas are skipped. Extracting inflamed pores can cause scarring. Healthy skin healing is always the priority. Step 19. Final nose cleaning. The nose is revisited for final cleanup. Remaining small blackheads are gently removed. The skin begins to look smoother and clearer. Step 20. Post-extraction cleansing. Once extraction is complete, the skin is gently cleansed again. This removes any remaining residue and prepares the skin for soothing treatment. Step 21. Applying antibacterial toner. After extraction, a gentle antibacterial toner is applied. This helps remove remaining impurities and reduce bacteria on the skin surface. The toner also helps calm the pores after pressure. Step 22. Closing open pores slightly. The toner works to slightly tighten the pores. This step prevents dirt from re-entering freshly cleaned pores. The skin begins to feel refreshed and balanced. Step 23. Observing post-extraction skin. We carefully observe the skin again. Any redness, sensitivity, or irritation is noted. This helps us adjust the next steps for maximum comfort. Step 24. Applying soothing serum. A lightweight soothing serum is gently applied. This serum contains calming ingredients that reduce redness and support skin healing. The skin begins to relax immediately. Step 25. Massaging the serum. Using gentle tapping and light massage, the serum is absorbed into the skin. This improves circulation and helps nutrients penetrate deeper layers. The touch remains slow and controlled. Step 26. Hydration restoration. Extraction can slightly dehydrate the skin. To restore balance, a hydrating layer is applied. Hydration helps strengthen the skin barrier and improve elasticity. Step 27. Applying a cooling gel. A cooling gel is now applied across the treated areas. The cooling sensation reduces heat, redness, and discomfort. This step is deeply relaxing. Step 28. Calming the skin. As the cooling gel works, the skin begins to calm, inflammation decreases, the pores start returning to their normal size. Step 29. Preparing for mask application. The skin is now ready for a treatment mask. This mask will deeply nourish, soothe, and protect the skin after extraction. Step 30. Applying the clay or soothing mask. A thin, even layer of mask is applied. Clay or calming masks help absorb excess oil and refine pores. The mask is spread gently without pressure. Step 31. Mask activation time. The mask is left on the skin for several minutes. During this time, the active ingredients work deeply. The skin continues to relax and repair. Step 32. Deep pore purification. As the mask dries, it pulls out remaining impurities. The pores feel cleaner and tighter. Oil production becomes more balanced. Step 33. Monitoring skin comfort. We continuously check for discomfort. If the skin feels tight or dry, the mask time is reduced. Comfort is always prioritized. Step 34. Gentle mask removal. The mask is removed using lukewarm water. Soft circular motions are used. No harsh rubbing is allowed. Step 35. Post-mask cleansing. After mask removal, the skin is cleansed lightly. This removes any residue and refreshes the surface. The skin now appears visibly cleaner. Step 36. Applying calming toner. A calming toner is applied again. This restores pH balance and prepares the skin for moisturizing. The pores appear refined and smooth. Step 37. Applying repair serum. A repair-focused serum is applied. This serum helps rebuild the skin barrier and promote healing. It absorbs slowly and evenly. Step 38. Gentle press massage. Using gentle pressing motions, the serum is pressed into the skin. This technique avoids irritation while improving absorption. The skin feels nourished. Step 39. Eye area care. A small amount of eye cream is applied. The delicate eye area is treated with extreme care. This prevents dryness and fine lines. Step 40. Moisturizer application. A lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer is applied. This locks in hydration and protects the skin. The moisturizer is evenly distributed. Step 41. Massaging moisturizer. Gentle upward strokes are used. This improves circulation and relaxation. The skin begins to glow naturally. Step 42. Final skin check. The skin is checked one final time. Pores look cleaner, texture appears smoother and more refined. Step 43. Spot soothing. Any slightly red areas receive extra soothing product. This prevents irritation and supports faster healing. Step 44. Sun protection preparation. If this treatment is done during the day, sun protection is recommended. Freshly treated skin needs extra care from UV exposure. The blackhead removal and skincare deep cleaning session is complete. The skin looks fresh, clean, and revitalized. Thank you for allowing this moment of care and relaxation.